Hi everyone and welcome to another Learn Unboxing. Today I am going to show you iRobot Root. Okay, so here I have Root. When I open it up, I have a Get Started guide. I also have a plasticized little mat that I can use to draw with whiteboard markers and Root, as well as a microfiber cloth to clean up any drawings. Here we have Root. You'll see that in the middle, you have a place to insert a marker. You want to gently place the marker in. You don't want to push the marker in because it will break the mechanism. You actually code Root to lower and raise the marker. We have the on button for Root. When I turn it on, I see it lights up green underneath. I have the two bumpers. Okay. Underneath, I have the tool wheels as well as the LED lights. Okay. One of my favorite features about Root is that it is magnetic on the bottom. You can quickly see that. For example, the USB-C recharge cable actually attaches to Root underneath. And this is a fun feature. I mention it specifically for teachers because it can climb up your whiteboard. So you could code it to write words on your whiteboard, do math problems, draw for your students. So it is really fun for classroom use. Before I jump on screen and show you some of the coding features of Root, I just turned it off. I also want to mention that it comes with many different accessories. For example, here I have the iRobot Root brick top that's compatible with Lego blocks. These are, of course, at additional cost, but they really do enhance what you can do with your Root. So here we have the iRobot Education app. As you can see, it is extremely user-friendly. Your projects come up at the top on the first row, and there are also lessons built into the app to help you get started with Root. I'm going to select the Code a Letter app to show you how you could use Root in a language class with young learners. If I press the level 1 button, you will see that I can select which coding level I want to use. Level 1 is pictorial blocks. They are perfect for students that are just learning how to read or are just beginning to use Root. Level 2 is very similar to Scratch coding blocks in that they're a mix of language blocks. And in level 3, we have real programming full text blocks. I'm going to go back to level 1, and I'm going to begin programming my letter P. Here I see my blocks at the bottom, and I just simply drag and drop the blocks to the coding screen. So here we have, when I press play, we're going to put the pen down. Oh, we're drawing a P. We're going to go up 2. We're going to turn, and we're going to move forward, turn, and move forward. Now let's see where that has gotten us so far. So I'm going to press the play button, and here we see, even without the Root robot connected, I can get an idea of what my program is going to look like. Great. So as we can see here, I didn't turn quite enough. I would have to add another turn segment and a forward segment to my Root program. So this is a wonderful way for students, if they're sharing a robot in your class, to envision what their code is going to look like visually before they actually have access to the robot itself. Wonderful. And then we can simply reset it, and we can adjust our code as needed. As you can see, Root is a super easy robot that you can have a lot of fun with in your class while also addressing curriculum goals.